My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website Pomis.live. Pomis.live is a new deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and other browsers. Pomis.live displays scary alerts which try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Pomis.live, do not ever interact with them. Do not install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend that you carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin carefully researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.